To change to the new clutch pressure plate, you will simply take off your clutch cover, take off your 6 stock bolts that hold the assembly down. You don't even need to pull them out. You're going to take off this assembly, set it aside. This will come off your steel wear ring. You can push your fingers in the middle here to break the bearing loose. You'll take your pressure plate off, and you will remove the first steel plate. The steel plate is built into the new unit. Make sure all this is in place. Make sure your dowels are in place. Reinstall your wear ring in the new part. And reinstall your spring assembly. Tighten this down to the specs in the service manual, if so desired. And that's it.